What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today we are checking out the Sportsman Classic 130 RD. This right here is one of the smallest and cheapest campers on the market. Let's check it out. Alright, so this camper sleeps 3, has a full bathroom and a full kitchen, but before we head inside, let's take a look at the specs. So this RV has an unload vehicle weight of 2,570 pounds, a dry hitch weight of 260 pounds, a cargo carrying capacity of 930 pounds, a gross vehicle weight rating of 3,500 pounds. So you could tow this with a small SUV, but the best part is that the total length of this RV is only 16 feet 9 inches. Let's go ahead and start up front, and then we'll make our way inside. So up here you have a pretty standard crankjack as well as a propane tank. You've got some underbelly storage here, which is quite a lot of space for this small of an RV. You've got a 9-foot awning on the exterior as well as some outdoor speakers. Heading inside, you've got a pretty good sized bed up front. You've got lots of cabinet space up above. It's nice to see that an RV this small has a lot of space dedicated for storage. Over here you've got a window, and then into the kitchen you've got a refrigerator, which is really nice. You've got a window up above the sink with a little blackout shade, and then you have a cabinet up above as well as a microwave. So this RV has it all. You've got a microwave, a 2-burner cooktop, and then you have a pretty good sized sink. Now let's head to the back of this RV where you have the bathroom. So you have a foot flush toilet, a corner shower, as well as a full sink and medicine cabinet, which is just crazy because a lot of RVs that are large don't even have a sink in the bathroom. Over here you have a dinette that drops down into a bed, and then you have some cabinet space up above, and I like the fact that they put in a large window because it lets in a lot of natural light. This RV is pretty amazing for the size. It offers so much. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this RV tour, give this video a like and subscribe for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Till next time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the road.